Hey guys, it's your girl Treasure. Welcome back to my video. Like and subscribe if you like what you're watching, and hit that bell notification so you never miss a video. Now let's get into this. Okay, so what we'll be doing today is I'm going to be giving the first impressions on a wig that I bought from Chinalacewig. I bought a wig from them one other time. It was a kinky curly wig. It was a long one. I'm going to link the video here if you want to check it out. I suggest you do. It's a pretty nice wig. I did a little makeover. I had it for a while, so check it out. It's pretty good. Okay, so for this video, like I said, I'm going to be giving the first impressions. So the wig is a 24-inch Peruvian straight wig. It's a medium brown lace, and it's a medium cap size. Alright, so this is the longest hair I have ever had. So we'll see how it goes. I'm pretty excited for it. As you can see, I can't stop smiling. So let's do this. So here the wig is. This is how it comes. This is the box. It's pretty nice. It's a black box, not too big. It's a China lace on it, so that's pretty nice. Let me open it. So what you get inside is the wig itself, some lashes. A lot of companies now give out lashes, so that's pretty nice, and these are pretty nice too. These are 3D lashes, false lashes. They're pretty nice though. Look at them. I don't put lashes on per se, but I do want to learn how to do it. So we'll see how that goes. Maybe in another video. This is pretty cool. They gave me makeup brushes. What company gives you makeup brushes? What company gives you makeup brushes? Chinalacewig give you makeup brushes. Really cool. You can never have too many makeup brushes, especially when you love makeup. And they gave me earrings. You see them? They gave me earrings. Now, what company gives you earrings though? 3 things? 3 things. They gave you 3 free things. Alright, here for the wig. Alright. So here's the wig. Look at that movement. See that movement? Look at that movement. You see that? So like I said, this is 24 inches. It feels pretty nice. Smells like normal hair, I guess. No strange smell or anything. So this is a pre-plucked, and it has baby hairs. It is slightly bleached, I believe, in the front though. Like you can't see the knots really in the front. So, yeah. So slightly bleached in the front and only in the hairline though. Everything else will probably have to be bleached. Like I said, it has baby hairs. So that's pretty nice. Oh, so this is a 4x13 closure. I mean frontal. 4x13 frontal. I wish that it was the same all the way to the sides, but it's not. But it's pretty good. See that? Cap construction, lace front, and it has lace in the back, just in case if you want to put it up. So that's nice. All right, so here it goes. Let me step back so you can see it. It feels very straight. So imagine when I do straighten it, it's gonna look very nice. I like that they pre-bleached the very front of the hairline, but I definitely am gonna go in and bleach the rest of it so I can part it in the deep part. It feels really good, like I said. It feels really, really good. Silky, so I can't wait to like get my hands in this, put my own special touch on it, like touch, you know. I'm hype. I'm definitely hype. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm hype. Hype. Like, I'm hype. Can you imagine? Look at this on me. Okay, I'm 5'4", so this reached me all the way to the top of like the bottom of my back to the top of my butt. So this is long on me. It's long on me. 24 inches I think might be the longest I can go, because I don't want to be sitting on my hair now. But look at that movement. Nice. Okay, so in my next video, I'm going to teach you how I install my wigs. So I have two methods. Sometimes I use the Ghost Bond glue, the platinum one, and then sometimes I just use the Got To Be spray. It depends on the situation and how long I want to wear it for. But both of them are pretty good. I still have my edges, so that Ghost Bond glue, if you take it out correctly, you'll have your edges too. They won't be gone. They won't disappear on you. Very excited to do this. I think for now I'm going to keep it black. I do like to play with color, but I think I'm going to keep it black because I just want to enjoy it in its natural state. I want to see how good it is in its natural state. And then I'm going to come back in a couple of months maybe with an update on the wig. But for now, my first impression looks pretty good to me. Its construction looks pretty good to me. The only thing that I would say is that I asked for medium brown lace, and I don't feel like this is medium brown to me. I don't know. Look a little light to me. I'm gonna have to darken that up, and that's the only thing. I'm gonna have to darken the lace because I don't feel like this is medium brown. But then again, who knows? I don't know. Let's see. Do you think that matches? I don't know. Might have to darken it. But you know, you gotta play with your wigs. You gotta see what works for you. I'm gonna show you what works for me, and hopefully it works for you too. Boo. Thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe and hit that bell notification. If you have any questions, ideas, suggestions, anything that you want to ask me, leave it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching again. Come back next time so you can see what I do with this wig, and I see you in the next one. Bye.